Times Square. This is not even a part of it still.
Yes, right.
All right, everyone, we are in Times Square. This is where the life begins. And from here, we're going to take the A train uptown to Harlem. But for now, we're just walking through Times Square. Getting me sit there for a little bit. We are in Times Square in Midtown Manhattan. Lots of people, lots of natives, lots of visitors. There was a street festival just behind us, and the street was closed off. And now we're just sitting in these stands. It feels like we're waiting for a concert or something to start, but we're not. Just relaxing. We're getting ready to catch the A train to Harlem, and then we'll walk around Harlem for a little bit, and then we're going to take the A train back downtown to the Wall Street area. And then from there, we're going to go on the Upper East Side to go to Serendipity for dinner. All right, everyone, I am Coach Sherry, and it is my pleasure to share with you this walking tour, or just this being around and hanging out in Manhattan with you. If you're not yet part of this team, please hit the subscribe button and the bell for notification. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. What is your favorite part of Manhattan? I love it. It always gives me life. I love city life. Definitely a lot to do. Getting my steps in. I think everyone's just sitting up here, people watching. Here hanging out with my youngest of 3, and we are having a great time so far today. We've been to Rockefeller Center, NBC Studios. She's brought some beautiful rings from the street vendors. What else did we do? Saw her new place where she's going to do her internship. Had some great ice cream, great coffee this morning at a local coffee shop near where she lives. Yeah, it's been a great day. All right, stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for tuning in.
Sir, if you not put your hands in your pockets, it's gonna hurt.
All right. We are headed to the train.